District Committee, Karbi Students and Youth Council KSYC Central Executive Committee, all Bodo Students Union, Aksu Karbi Anglong District Committee, all TY Students Union, Aksu Karbi Anglong District Committee, and all Dimasai Students Union, Karbi Anglong District Committee on this day.
আমি সকলোৱে কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ যিমান মানে ট্ৰাইবেল আমাৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন আছে আমি সকলোৱে আজি প্ৰতিবাদ কৰিছোঁ। আজি কলনীৰ পৰা লাহিনলৈকে আমি পদযাত্ৰা কৰি আমাৰ প্ৰটেষ্ট ৰিলেটো আমি ইয়াত মানে
Karbi Students and Youth Council KSYC Central Executive Committee, all Bodo Students Union, Aksu Karbi Anglong District Committee, all TY Students Union, Aksu Karbi Anglong District Committee, and all Dimasai Students Union, Karbi Anglong District Committee on this day, the 9th December 2025.
ইয়াতকৈ মানে ভয়াৱহ এটা পৰিস্থিতি।
Honorable sir, we the undersigned representing the Karbi Students Association,
জনজাতিকৰণ কৰা
Karbi
হয়
Students Youth Council, all Bodo Students Union, all TY Students Union, all Dimasai Students Union would like to express our strong opposition to the proposal for granting scheduled tribe status to 6 advanced and populous communities of Assam. They are the Tai Ahom, Bosrajbongsi, Moron, Motong, Chutia and T tribe. Adivasi. While we respect the rights and aspirations of every community, we believe that this proposal will have serious socio-economic, cultural and political consequences for the existing scheduled tribes of the state. The indigenous FT communities of Assam, including smaller and vulnerable groups, have historically faced social, economic and geographical disadvantages. They depend heavily on constitutional safeguards, reservations, benefit and protection provision for their upliftment and survival. The conclusions of large and socially advanced communities into the ST list would dilute this safeguard, reduce opportunities and threaten the developmental rights of the present FT population. Our key concerns are as follows. Threat of point number 1, threat to existing tribal rights and safeguard. The indigenous tribal communities of Assam currently enjoy constitutional safeguards designed to protect their land, culture, language and socio-economic rights. Granting ST status to large, populous and socially advanced communities will significantly dilute these safeguards and deprive the existing ST communities of their rightful protection. Point number 2, loss of constitutional safeguards. Existing ST communities will face reduced access to education, employment and political representation due to competitions from such larger and more resourceful groups. Number 3, demography imbalance. The inclusions of highly populous communities will